Welcome to Vijo Cars. This is the biggest car recycling factory. Millions of old cars, their journeys ended here. Here, massive hydraulic claws descend, effortlessly plucking flattened car bodies. Enjoy full recycling process, watch video till then end. A relentless conveyor belt carries these relics forward, a steady stream of metal moving towards an unseen destiny. Each car a piece of history, now part of a larger vital cycle. Before destruction, precision. Skilled workers meticulously remove hazardous components like batteries, ensuring environmental safety and reclaiming valuable materials. Every step is carefully managed. From oil to coolant, all fluids are carefully drained into industrial containers. This critical process prevents contamination. Uploading our commitment to responsible recycling. Witness the immense force of a car crusher. An entire sedan is slowly, deliberately compressed into a dense, compact block ready for the next stage of its incredible journey. Neatly stacked cubes of metal organized by sheer scale. This is the raw material meticulously prepared, awaiting its violent rebirth into something entirely new. Forklifts, agile giants of the scrapyard, efficiently transport these dense blocks, loading them onto trucks that will carry them to the heart of the recycling operation. A powerful industrial magnet lifts a massive bundle of scrap, a metallic ballet against the sky. The sheer weight and volume underscore the scale of this global effort. A continuous procession of trucks, laden with crushed cars, converges on the recycling facility. This constant flow of material fuels the relentless engine of modern industry. The gateway to transformation, a massive, dark shredder entrance. Cars are fed into its maw, entering a realm of unimaginable power and controlled chaos. Inside, massive rotating hammers violently tear apart each vehicle. It's a deafening cacophony of metal, reducing cars to unrecognizable fragments in mere seconds. Fist-sized pieces of shredded metal emerge, a jagged river of raw material. No longer cars, they are now pure scrap, ready for meticulous separation. This continuous stream of metal fragments moves along a vast conveyor belt, a testament to the efficiency and scale of modern recycling plants. Overhead, a powerful electromagnet performs its magic, visibly lifting ferrous metals from the belt, creating a mesmerizing cascade of separated material. The separated ferrous metal tumbles into massive collection bins, forming growing mountains of clean, dark scrap destined for the furnace. An eddy current separator precisely flings non-ferrous metals like aluminum and copper using electromagnetic forces. It's a dance of science and industry. Gleaming non-ferrous metals travel on their own conveyor, destined for specialized recycling. Every valuable component is recovered, nothing is wasted. The remaining automotive shredder residue, a mix of plastics, glass, and fabric, is carefully collected. Even this residual material finds its purpose. Specialized optical sorters and air classifiers further refine the ASR, demonstrating the high-tech precision of modern recycling. Every component is meticulously separated. A massive pile of sorted steel scrap, gleaming and ready, awaits its ultimate transformation. This is the raw potential, the future of infrastructure. A large industrial crane, with its powerful electromagnet, lifts a colossal load of steel scrap. The sheer weight and scale are breathtaking, a testament to human ingenuity. The crane swings its glowing cargo over a massive charging bucket, a graceful arc of raw power. The journey to molten steel is about to begin. With a deafening crash, thousands of pounds of steel scrap are dumped into the charging bucket. It's a metallic explosion, signaling the furnace's hunger. The charging bucket, now brimming with scrap, is transported by an overhead crane towards the electric arc furnace. Anticipation builds for the fiery crucible. The massive electric arc furnace, or EAF, opens its roof with a deep mechanical groan. Its cavernous interior awaits the transformation of scrap into liquid fire. The charging bucket tilts, unleashing its metallic cascade into the EAF. A thunderous roar and a shower of sparks mark the beginning of the melting process. The EAF roof seals with a heavy thud, containing the immense heat and power within. The transformation is now underway, hidden from view. Three massive graphite electrodes slowly descend into the scrap-filled furnace. These titans of industry are about to unleash their incredible electrical power. The electrodes strike, igniting blindingly bright electric arcs. A deafening crackle and roar fill the air as raw electricity tears through the metal, melting it instantly. Inside the EAF, the scrap metal rapidly melts, becoming a swirling, incandescent pool of molten steel. It glows with an intense orange and white, a liquid sun. A worker, shielded from the inferno, observes the melting process through a small viewport. Their vigilance ensures the quality and safety of this dangerous operation. Molten slag, a foamy, orange-red byproduct, is carefully poured off. This purification step removes impurities, leaving behind only the purest steel. Precise amounts of alloying elements, chromium, molybdenum, vanadium, silicon, are added. These crucial ingredients give railway steel its legendary strength and durability. The molten steel is stirred, ensuring a perfect blend of the new alloys. This mesmerizing, incandescent liquid is now perfectly formulated for its future purpose. The EAF tilts and a river of intensely bright, molten steel pours into a massive preheated ladle. It's a fiery cascade, a spectacle of raw industrial power. The ladle, brimming with liquid steel, is transported by a colossal overhead crane. Its glowing cargo moves with purpose towards the next stage of creation. A close-up reveals the shimmering, intensely glowing surface of the molten steel within the ladle. It's a liquid fire ready to be shaped into something solid. A worker takes a sample of the molten steel for rigorous quality analysis. This critical step ensures the precise chemical composition required for railway tracks. The ladle positions itself over the tundish of the continuous casting machine. The stage is set for the steel to take its first solid form. The ladle opens and a controlled stream of molten steel flows into the tundish. It's a continuous, fiery ribbon feeding the heart of the casting process. The tundish, a glowing reservoir, feeds the casting molds below. It ensures a steady, uninterrupted flow, vital for uniform steel production. Molten steel enters the water-cooled copper mold and its surface begins to solidify. This is where liquid fire first becomes solid metal. A continuous strand of glowing hot steel, now a solid bloom, slowly emerges from the casting machine. It's a testament to the power of controlled cooling. Water sprays cool the newly formed steel bloom, creating dramatic clouds of steam. This rapid cooling is essential for setting the steel's internal structure. A massive hydraulic shear cuts the continuous glowing, hot steel bloom into precise lengths. A powerful cut and a shower of sparks mark each segment. The cut steel blooms, still radiating intense heat, move along a roller table toward the reheating furnace. Each heavy block is destined for further shaping. The blooms enter a massive reheating furnace, disappearing into its intense orange glow. They are brought back to a precise temperature for optimal malleability. Inside the furnace, the blooms glow intensely white hot, ready for the immense pressures of the rolling mill. This is steel at its most pliable. A white hot bloom emerges from the furnace, shimmering with heat. It's a dramatic entrance, signaling the next phase of its transformation. The glowing hot bloom enters the first set of massive roughing mill rollers. The steel is visibly squeezed and elongated, its form beginning to change. The bloom passes through multiple sets of roughing mill rollers, getting progressively longer and thinner. It's a relentless process of reduction and elongation. Close up on the red-hot roughing mill rollers as they powerfully shape the steel. Sparks fly, a testament to the immense friction and force at play. The elongated steel glowing orange races along a roller table between rolling stands. Its speed and length are a marvel of industrial engineering. From a control room, a worker monitors the rolling process, surrounded by screens and levers. Human expertise guides these colossal machines with precision. The steel enters the intermediate rolling mill where it begins to take on a more defined shape. Through a series of universal mills, the steel gradually forms the distinct railway track profile. It's a complex dance of rollers shaping metal with incredible accuracy. Emerging from the mill, the steel clearly shows the iconic I-beam or T-rail profile. This is the unmistakable shape of future infrastructure. The newly formed railway track, still glowing orange, rapidly elongates as it passes through the final rolling stands. A specialized tool measures the precise temperature of the glowing hot rail. Every detail is monitored to ensure the steel cools correctly. The long glowing hot railway track slowly moves onto a cooling bed. Here it undergoes a controlled cooling process, crucial for developing the steel's unique crystalline structure. Watch closely as the cooling rail subtly changes color from vibrant orange to deep red, then to black. Massive straightening rollers apply immense force. This ensures a smooth, safe ride for future trains. A laser scanning system rapidly moves along the rail, meticulously checking for dimensional accuracy and any surface imperfections. Technology ensures flawless quality. An ultrasonic testing probe glides along the rail, searching for internal flaws and structural integrity. Only perfect rails pass this rigorous examination. A powerful saw cuts the long rail into standard lengths with a shower of bright sparks. Each precise cut prepares the rail for its final destination. A close-up reveals the clean, precise cut and the internal grain of the steel. This is the quality and strength that began as old cars, now reborn. A specialized drilling machine precisely bores bolt holes into the web of the rail. A deburring tool smoothly removes any sharp edges, ensuring a clean, safe finish. Every detail matters in creating a durable railway track. A branding machine stamps vital information onto the rail manufacturer's date. This is its identity, its mark of quality. A protective coating is sprayed onto the finished rail, safeguarding it against corrosion and the elements. This final layer ensures longevity. A worker conducts a final visual inspection. This human touch ensures no detail is overlooked. A continuous series of finished rails moves along a conveyor, perfectly aligned towards the stacking area. It's a river of new infrastructure. Massive gantry cranes lift multiple finished rails simultaneously. Precision and power in perfect harmony.
Keep the
A
bucket
close-up
level.
on the
Dump it
ends
right
of
on
the
the bed.
stacked rails reveals their
Train's moving up.
precise
Ballast coming
alignment.
down.
Order
Good
and
dump. Now level
quality
it out.
ready for
Next
deployment.
Let's
Steel
go.
bands are automatically applied,
Steady. Lower it
securing
down.
the bundles of rails
Good
for
contact.
transport.
Now align left.
This ensures their safe
Hold
journey
steady.
to
Check
construction
the gauge.
sites. A massive pile of bundled railway tracks, gleaming and ready for shipment. This is the culmination of an incredible industrial process. Its powerful rumble signals its readiness to receive the new railway tracks. The cycle continues. Massive overhead cranes carefully load the bundled railway tracks onto the specialized train cars. The train, fully loaded with new railway tracks, slowly pulls out of the factory, disappearing into the distance. At a construction site, heavy machinery prepares the ground for new railway tracks, building the foundation for progress. New railway tracks are carefully laid onto the prepared ground. Each section is a step forward. Workers perform welding, joining two sections of track with intense sparks and molten metal. It's a fairy bond, creating a seamless path. The seamless connection ensures a perfect, uninterrupted surface for trains. Sleepers are placed, ballast is spread and compacted. Layer by layer, the railway track is built, a testament to engineering and hard work. A specialized machine drives spikes, securing the rails to the sleepers with powerful rhythmic clang. This ensures stability and safety. A completed section of railway track stretches into readiness for use. It's a symbol of connection, progress and rebirth. A high-speed train rushes past on the newly laid track, The very essence of modern transport is made possible by recycling, symbolizing the constant flow of commerce and travel. These tracks are the arteries of the nation. Finally, the journey is complete. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to Video Cars. Thank you for watching.